Occupying an interesting middle ground between the company's LX100 enthusiast compact and FZ1000 mega zoom, the Panasonic Lumix ZS100 offers a general-purpose compromise among image quality, zoom and size that adds up to a highly recommendable camera for families, travelers and even hobbyists who get frustrated with the short lenses in most enthusiast compacts. Part of Panasonic's travel zoom series of compacts, hence its alternate names TZ100 in the UK and TZ110 in Australia, the ZS100 goes head-to-head with the Sony Cybershot X100 IV. That's a pretty good deal for its price, as well, $700, £550 and $1,000. The ZS100 incorporates the same 1-inch sensor as the excellent FZ1000, but the lens is a shorter and slower 10x lens, 25-250mm f2.8 to 5.9, compared to the FZ1000's big 16x f2.8 lens. That allows Panasonic to keep it small, making it the longest zoom compact in the 1-inch class. There are some trade-offs to get that zoom. However, its lens isn't that great, and because it has a greater area to focus over, it does more slowly than competitors. You can get better results in low light by shooting RAW, in some cases, without even doing anything to the file other than opening it and saving as a JPEG. That's because RAW avoids Panasonic's aggressive processing. Its 4K video is excellent for point-and-shoot purposes, though you do see visual noise in low light and slight movements of the camera produce wobble, which is pretty typical.